Vakango was stranded. They had no kids, they couldn't do shows, so they were really stranded to RSA Mari. So they're going through a hard time. So Alec aifamba kubva kuchitumbiza kuya kuGrama Masasa. Achina kuseri kweairport kunetsoka. Uyatsvaga help. Aform band. Kumanga vari 4, I think. 4 or 5. Vakasinga vasara. Asaiya egoka ndoda kubatsirwawo ndoda kudii kati kubatsira nei auya unotoona murume akachena nenzara this guy is going through. But inini I liked him because ndakanazonotsa kuti achiri mukiyama kuti ane talent because zvimwe zvinhu masideas aida kuita aitora mizoti nono hazviiti zvakawandisa zvakadii ndopona kana kuti this guy ane talent, he wants to explode out there. So I had faith in him. So akauya akati ndari tikuda mari kuti tihaye instrument tipractice down ndine album andinayo akati okay. And I knew because akatomboita single yesishamiso akatomboita ndikati I knew kuti he was a good writer, he was a good musician. Tikati no problem, ngamuda mari ikanzi tikuda 2,000. There's a lot of money, there was the same dollars, was still a lot of money those days. So I looked at it and got, oh, this guy hasn't done anything. There's nothing. Mari can also deduct from where. They got, okay. Because I plus food to know it was over the orange. That okay, let me go and speak to the accountant. So understand an accountant. Oh, there's this guy. I know who is Alec Macheso. No, he's the best. I just know that I'm doing music. I get there. After 2000, I know what he's talented. I can't know. I can't change me one time. And no, I'm going to the managing director straight. I've got this guy, I believe it. And goes, no, you are responsible for production. If you believe it, I'm right. I'll give you 2,000 of our poor. So they went and rehearsed for about a month or so. They came back, you can see, they already done. Chit by date. Now about date. Right. Or I was studio. They set up, so I ended up on a call for a quick meeting before the record. My junior engineer get the sound check. I'm coming back in 5 minutes. And I end up my office start a meeting. I come back 15 minutes time. Aleka kamera panzi not in the studio. Aleka ngopinza mako much there so chingotendera mama lazoti pane problem. Lava lango zoti pane problem straight away because they ona face yake kuti yaka drop.